Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be kicking it old school. I'm doing a what's in my bag video. Okay, so if you've been around on YouTube for a while, like a long while, then you know all about what's in my bag videos. They used to be the thing here on YouTube. They used to be one of my personal favorite videos to watch and film. But if you're new here, you're probably like, what is this? What's in my bag? Never heard of it. So yeah, I'm definitely taking it back to the old school. I just got a new bag and I wanted to share it with you guys because I was so super duper excited about it. So I haven't gotten a new bag in such a long time. It just hasn't been on the list of priorities. Since we bought this house, I feel like all of our extra money goes into renovations and all of that stuff because just doing the smallest things literally costs so much money. But anywho, so yeah, I just got this bag not too long ago, and this is the Pochette, So this bag is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and I know I totally just butchered that. I don't know all the fancy names, but I know that I absolutely love this bag, and I fell in love whenever I first seen it. And it's really been a long time since I just fell in love with a handbag. I think the last time was the Givenchy Antigona. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I think that was the last designer bag that I purchased, other than like a designer bag for a giveaway or anything like that. And this bag is totally different from what I normally carry. So if you watched any of my what's in my bag videos from the past, then you know I normally carry very large bags. So yeah, this is definitely different for me. I normally would carry something like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and that bag literally lives up to its name because it's never full. Like, it will fit everything. And my problem with that was that I would put everything in it and I would have so much junk and my bag would be so heavy. So I definitely like that this prevents me from putting so much stuff in it. So yeah, it's very cute, it's compact. So just gonna show you guys a little bit more, you know, a little bit more of the details. So it has this top handle, then it has a little clasp in the front. In the back, it has this zipper. So this is normally where I would put my cell phone. So this is my cell phone and it literally fits perfect in there. Fits perfect, can zip it up. Really convenient place to put it because you don't have to worry about unlatching it in the front. So yeah, I always keep my phone in there. And then in the back, I have a movie ticket. So we went to see The Intruder the other night with Megan Good, and it was a really good movie. I love it. I don't know, I feel like those type of movies are like my guilty pleasure. And then I have an eyelash. Maybe the other one's in there. Yeah, 2 eyelashes. So yeah, that's what's in that back pocket. So I'm gonna zip that up, and then that's the front again, and it does have a strap. I normally wear it crossbody because I just find that to be a little bit more convenient, especially if I'm carrying Uriah. I don't have to worry about it slipping off my shoulder or anything like that. So if you wanna open it, you just clasp these two and it unlocks like that. So this is what the inside looks like. It has 3 different compartments. So it has one in the front, if you guys can tell, one in the front, one in the middle, and then one in the very back. So I'm gonna start with the one in the front. So normally I keep my keys. These are my keys. I have a little hand sanitizer that I got from Bath and Body Works. And then I have a compact. So this is the MAC Medium Dark Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is what I'll use if I feel my face is getting a little bit oily throughout the day. Then we also have this little small powder brush, so I can use with the powder, obviously. And then I have this little rush charge, so it's just a portable charger. So if my phone's going dead and I don't have a way to charge it, I'll use that. And then I have my lipstick, Mauve Sugar, and it's an absolute gorgeous mauve color. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and you can get it 2 for $24. You can get this lip color and my other lip color, Rammer Jammer, 2 for $24 right now. So I'll put a link below for that. So that is everything that's in the front pouch. So for the middle compartment, I have my wallet, and this is really compact. I don't think you would be able to fit a large wallet in there because it would take up too much space, but this is the wallet that I have been using forever now. I've literally had this wallet for like 4 years and I've used it for like 4 years straight. So I will say, if you don't invest into anything else, invest in a good wallet, because mine used to tear up all the time, but the Louis Vuitton ones are really, really great quality. And then I have these little 310 nutrition lemonade packets, and I absolutely love these. They're really great for craving control. So I have the watermelon and then also the peach punch. But next in my bag, I have hand sanitizer. Well, this is actually foaming mousse hand sanitizer. So it actually starts off as a foam. I got this at Bath & Body Works not too long ago. So yeah, it's a foam, and then once you rub it, it turns more into like a hand sanitizer. So yeah, I always have to have something like this in my purse because I don't like my hands feeling all grimy and stuff like that. And then we have gum. If you guys know me, you know that my favorite gum is Orbit. Absolutely love Orbit. I like the spearmint and the winter mint, just in case you guys were wondering. And then I also have some hand cream because y'all, my hands, they always are so ashy. Like right here, right now, they're actually ashy. And then whenever I use the hand sanitizer, I always have to use moisturizer, you know, just to get my hands back to looking really nice and, you know, rejuvenated and all of that. And then I have some eye drops. So my eyes, they've been really itchy here lately. I'm not sure if it's like the allergies or, you know, if it's my allergies or if it's like the pollen outside, because it's been really bad here lately. But yeah, I just like to keep those in my bag. And then another hand sanitizer. So this one's Make S'mores Not War, really cute, from Bath & Body Works. And then I have another lip product. So this one's by Fenty Beauty. If you've been following my channel for quite some time, then you know I used to never, ever, never, ever, ever wear lip gloss. But I've been wearing it here lately, and I really love this one. It's called Fussy, and I like it because I feel like it doesn't make my lips look overly shiny, like I've put, you know, Crisco all over my lips. So yeah, I really like this. Paw Patrol. I have a little Paw Patrol dog in my purse, and these end up in my bag all the time because Uriah has to take them whenever we leave the house. He has to take some type of figurine. He is obsessed with these. So yeah, that's why I have it in my purse, because he probably sat it down somewhere and I was like, oh, let me grab that so he doesn't leave it. I have another one of these Lemonade 310 nutrition packets, and this is the watermelon. So I really love the watermelon and the peach punch one. And then I have some Duo lash adhesive because I'm all the time having eyelash malfunctions, and the last thing I want is to be out in public with my eyelash lifting. It's so annoying. So yeah, I always keep that in there. And then we have 50 cents. So that's everything that's in the middle section. And then in this back pocket, I don't really keep much. I just have my sunglasses, and these are by Key Australia and Jaclyn Hill, and that's what they look like. Really cute. I love the studs around them. Super duper cute. And then they have a little bit of gold detailing on the back. So that's pretty much everything that I keep in this bag. As you guys can tell, it is completely empty, and I feel like it holds a pretty good amount of stuff. It doesn't hold a ton of stuff, but I definitely maximize the space, and I absolutely love this bag, and I love that it prevents me from carrying so much junk. Thank you so much for watching this old school YouTube video, what's in my bag. I love these, and I wish that they would low-key kind of make a comeback because I like watching them and just seeing different purses and what everybody carries in their bag. You guys can tell that I'm nosy. But anywho, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!